Exercise 18. A simple way to estimate the number of words in a string is to count the number of spaces in the string. Write a program that asks the user to type a sentence and then prints an estimate of how many words are in the sentence. Okay. So, as usual, we use input. Okay. Then let's count the number of spaces and put that in a variable. Let's print. Now, let's use this sentence here as an example. This sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4 words and it has 3 spaces. So, for our estimate, the number of words is the number of spaces plus 1. So we can say, here we can just add space count plus 1. Alright, let's try it out. So if we just say, good morning, Tom. It says there are about 3 words in the sentence. Okay. Alright, that ought to do it. Of course, if someone enters, let me demonstrate. If I type again, good morning, and then I type 2 spaces, then it now says that there are 4 words because it's counting these 2 spaces separately. There are ways to do that, to work around that, but let's not get into that for now. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember, there are one-on-one Python lessons available at ondevs.com. Live, one-on-one. Thank you for watching.